you guys, in today's video we will be reviewing, well, I already have an opinion on these. I just want to give these a moment. Karmela Cosmetics lipsticks. I absolutely am obsessed with them. I've used them in a couple of different videos, but I haven't used them as much as I would like. I figured that I would actually, you know, take my time out and actually do a whole review on them, because not only are they amazing lipsticks, but they also have a really good meaning behind it, and what they do is amazing. Owner is super sweet. I don't want to butcher her name, so I'm not gonna say it, but she's super sweet, and I've been like, had her lipsticks for almost, I think, a year, maybe a year and a half, maybe a year, I'm not sure, but I really am obsessed with one of the shades, and I love all of her new shades. I was like trying them on for like pictures that she wanted, and I was just like, yes, boo, especially this one. Like, I love this one. So I haven't done a lipstick video in a while, so that's why I really wanted to do it, but I really love this brand as well, and I loved her lipsticks. So I have 6 shades today that I'm going to show you. I didn't do lip swatches because I did not want to risk messing up this makeup look, so yeah, I have 6 shades. There's 21 shades, and they are absolutely stunning. She is cruelty-free with no parabens, GMOs, other stuff, talc, none of that stuff, no synthetic fragrances. These lipstick formulas are a silk matte formula, and they do have this really pleasant minty smell. No taste, but it's like so pleasant. Like, I love the smell of these lipsticks, and it's like you can feel a slight, like just a slight tingle when you put it on. So yeah, I really enjoy like these lipsticks. These lipsticks actually got me back into tube lipsticks, so thank you, boo. I feel like tube lipsticks are very unappreciated, and like the trend of liquid lipsticks is just like taking over, but I appreciate a tube lipstick. So I want to get into what the giving is about. I'll link the About Me page to the brand down below so you can read it. I love that page. She is very informational and inspiring, and I love it. You should definitely go take a peek and read it. So they donate 10% of net profits to organizations that heal and empower women. I'm gonna go through those right now. So all the pink lipsticks are for the Breast Cancer Association. The red lipsticks are for the Eating Disorder Association. The nudes are for the Rapunzel Project, and the purple are for the Endometriosis Foundation. So 10% of the net profits when you buy lipstick go to those organizations, depending on which like collection, like purple, red, nude, or pink. So I think that's a really good idea, so we appreciate you. So they are $28 each, which you guys be spending a lot for stuff nowadays, so I don't want to hear that that's expensive, because I do too. It's not expensive, and you're giving back. You're helping give back. You're helping someone give back. So yeah. So let's get into the swatches of this 6 shades that I have. So the first one is, this is Radiance. It's like a coral peach, and I need to use this in the spring. So this is a coral shade. I'm gonna swatch them like this. I don't know. I'll swatch them like this. This is like the formula is so freaking velvety soft. Like, how pretty is that? That is so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna hand swatch these for you. I was gonna lip swatch them, but you know, I'm lazy. Sorry guys. And I don't want to mess up this look. It's perfect. I love it. The next shade is Allure, which is a orange toned red, I believe. Don't hate me if I'm wrong at describing these colors. So this is what Allure looks like. Literally one of the perfect reds. I wore this red before, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The thing I like about her lipsticks is that they kind of almost dry down like a liquid matte, but not really. They still transfer, but they're really lightweight, and I really love that about them. This one is my favorite. I'm so happy she sent me this one. This one is the shade Immortal, and you guys know that I like to put brown on the outside like I did now, and then a really light like peachy nude or beige nude or taupe nude on the inside. I really like this one. This one is Immortal. It's like the most perfect nude I've ever seen. Girl, like, you did it. This is my favorite. I really wanted to put this one on for this look, but I was like, let me use one of the new ones. I'm happy I did. So the 3 new shades that she just launched a couple days ago are Enchanted, Goddess, and Divine. Okay, I have that one on right now, so I'm not gonna swatch that one. Okay, so this is the shade Goddess. Very pretty. Whenever I put it on, I was like, oh, because I didn't think I would like it because I don't like pink lipstick that much, but it looks so good with a brown lip liner. It is amazing. This is like, it's so pretty. Like, look at these shades. Like, the pigment's there. You barely have to apply any pressure. I'm like literally obsessed. This shade was really pretty too. This is Divine. I wanted to keep this one on so bad, but you know, can't do that. Couldn't do it today. Super pretty too. It's like a dark darker. It's like these two mixed together, and it's like, it's so freaking pretty. Like, and then lastly, the one I have on is called no, this is Enchanted. And yeah, it's like, I don't know how to describe this. It's like a berry, it's like a berry toned brown almost. I'm not sure, but it is so gorgeous. That was a really bad swatch. I'm sorry, you guys. That is so pretty. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed. So these are the shades. I'll go through them once again. Okay, so this one right here, Enchanted. This one right here, Divine. And Goddess. Let me make sure I'm saying it. Yeah, Goddess is over there. So Enchanted, Divine, Goddess, Immortal, Allure, and Radiance. So again, one more time. Enchanted, Divine, Goddess, Immortal, Allure, Radiance. So these are the 6 shades I have, and I feel like this is a whole mood for all year. So yeah, but yeah, I'll link her website down below. I really like these. I just really wanted to do a short little dedicated video to these lipsticks because of the fact that I haven't done a lipstick video in so long, but also I want to support small businesses. In 2022, that is my goal. I want to support more not mainstream makeup, like not Urban Decay. I'm gonna still support them. They my babes, but not like Urban Decay, Benefit, Buxom, like not Maybelline, not stuff that you see in stores all the time. Like, I want to find and discover new makeup because I'm getting bored with the mainstream makeup. So I feel like they're all switching ideas and going around together, and it's just like, okay, what's next? Y'all, and when are y'all gonna come out with something innovative, or y'all just gonna keep on switching ideas to each other? I'm sorry, that was a rant, but had to. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. So this is the start to that. But yeah, these are the shades, and I'm super like obsessed with Immortal. But yeah, if you like videos like these, please tell me what brands you want me to, like, you know, try out next. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.